In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Clickfunnels. We'll walk through this process slowly and clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own, and we'll also talk about a few things to keep in mind before you permanently remove any data from your account. First, make sure you're already logged into your Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side. In the sidebar, you'll see a list of main sections that help you manage your funnels, pages, and audience. Find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of the people in your database are listed, including their email addresses, activity, and any tags or segments you've set up. After the Contacts page loads, you'll see a table of your contacts. To choose who you want to remove, look for the checkboxes on the left side of each contacts row. Click the checkbox next to the contact you want to delete. If you're cleaning up several contacts at once, you can select multiple checkboxes, and Clickfunnels will apply the same action to all of them. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected only the contacts you truly want to remove, especially if you're working with a long list. Once your contacts are selected, a bulk actions menu will appear near the top of the list. In that menu, look for the 3 vertical dots, often labeled as actions. This icon opens up more options for the contacts you've selected. Click on those 3 dots to reveal the actions available to you. From that dropdown, choose Delete Contacts. In some setups, you might also see an option like Archive. Deleting usually means the contact is removed from your main list permanently, while archiving is more like putting them into storage where they're not active but may be recoverable, depending on the platform's policies. If you're unsure, consider using Archive first so you don't lose important data by accident. After you click Delete Contacts, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This step is there to protect you from removing contacts unintentionally. Read the message carefully, confirm that you're deleting the correct contacts, and then click to confirm the deletion. Once you do, Clickfunnels will process the request and remove those contacts from your list. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly clean up your Clickfunnels contacts and keep your database organized and up to date.